From the heart of Nuevo de Julio in District 4855, we send our greetings to District 7390 as you meet in conference this weekend. We too will be in our district conference here. We're having a wonderful time here in Argentina. We thank you all for supporting and sustaining this important cultural exchange program. Now I'd like to have the team also send their greetings.
Hi, my name is Jessica. Thank you to the North York Club, and especially those that were able to contribute to my trip here. I can't wait to explain all of the fun things that we've done.
Hi, I'm Laura. Thank you to the Rotary Club of York for sponsoring me on this trip. I'm having a wonderful time. I'm looking forward to telling you all about it when I get home.
Hi, this is Teresa Clark. I would like to send a special thanks to the Rotary Club of Harrisburg. I am having an awesome time, and I can't wait to tell you all about it.
And my name is Amy Lau. I'm looking forward to sharing my experiences with you. I'm enjoying lots of mate. And I'd like to especially thank Angie Hartman of Rotary York East. I look forward to seeing you.
And a special word to all my friends at the Rotary Club of York. We will be back soon and we will be able to share with you all our adventures. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.